Hey, welcome to our video demo of our rebuilt Bridgeport Milling machine. This one is on special offer because it comes with not just the X-axis power feed and a 2-axis DRO system. We've upgraded it to 4-axis and you get the guard included. So they've got X, Y, Z being the knee scale, and you get the Quill scale and the upgrade console with a graphical PCD system, all for the same price as you would do normally. So let me tell you about this machine. It's got a 42-inch table, it's got the variable speed head, it's got the guarding system, it's had a full strip down service. We replaced loads of parts in the head, so bearings, belts, loads of pulleys, rotor shaft in the motor, everything you can do to that, make it run nice and quiet and smooth like it is. New spindle bearings, it's had a regrind to the top of the table and the X-axis. The chrome bedway slideways are like new condition, that they haven't needs to be done. Same with the knee and the column, absolutely spot on. Brand new lead screws in the Z-axis, new bearings there as well, and there's loads of new handles and all sorts of brand new parts all around the machine. It's been repainted in Bridgeport blue grey as the colour. We think it's a really nice colour. There's a new coolant tray down the bottom there. It's a steel one, not the plastic, so if you do drop something it'll just bounce off without cracking the tray. There's a keyless drill chuck here, that's all included as well. So let's see the machine running now, and then please come down and see it for yourself in real life. So, brand new lead screws make the thing absolutely super smooth all the way across. Safety handles both ends because of the X-axis power feed. Same with the Y, lovely and smooth all the way across. Absolutely spot on, almost no backlash at all, really nice. The knee again, lovely and smooth. We've actually replaced the gears in the knee and the bearings as well to make it nice and smooth. And of course the lead screw. All running spot on. And you can see it moving there on the DRO console. That's coming off this scale here that's on the back. Just wind it back down again because we're going to be using the Quill in a minute. Okay. Then all the locks have been serviced, so the X, the Y and the knee have all been serviced and they're working as they should. The lube system down the bottom, you can't see it at the moment, but there's a brand new lube pipe, new lube metering unit and all new lube pipe, and it's all functioning as it should. So just operate the pump twice in every 1 day of operation, so twice in every 8 hours to make sure that all the bottom end is all lubricated, and it'll keep running absolutely spot on for you. There's a new light here. This is IP65 sealed. That's really good. It's the light straw in. New coolant system, so new lube pump, new lube pipe, everything is all brand new on that. Okay, so moving on, so we're going to test the variable speed head and the Quill now. So it's currently set at running at around 500 RPM. So you hear how quiet that is. There's a lot of time, a lot of money spent on the head to make that quiet. A lot of parts required. Okay, so that's running at 500 RPM. So we're going to crank it up now so you can see what it sounds like over the different ranges. So that's about 900, 1200, 1800, and then all the way up to 2,500. I'm not going above 2,500 because we've got the Quill engaged here, and it specifically says do not go above 3,000. Okay, and in reverse now, just as quiet in reverse. Back down to 1,200 in reverse. And then on to 450 in reverse. Lovely and quiet and smooth as it should be. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to turn it off. We're just going to hit the brake to show you it does work. Okay, so the brake is only there for taking the tool out. It's not for slowing down the head at all. It slows down just as fast enough on its own. Okay, so now we're going to change to, that was high range. You've also got a low range with a bull gear. That also reverses the spindle. So we're going to change to that now. But we're going to move this Quill handle out of the way. It's a quick release handle. So notice the Quill isn't moving, but the handle is. So you can just get it out of the way and set it to whatever position you like. It's much better than having one of those wagon wheel style ones. So to high range you're in, push this handle in, turn it round, and then lock it in, Lock it in, make sure it's locked in before you fire up, make sure it really is locked in, okay? So, fire it up now. So that's driving on the bull gear now set, so it's reversed the spindle, and we're in low range. So we're no longer at 450, we're actually at 50 RPM. Lovely and smooth. Okay, that's 120, 220, and that's a 325. Okay, turn that off now. And in reverse now. Just as quiet in reverse. That's 140, lovely and smooth. And then back down to 50 RPM. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, turn that off, and we're going to go back into high range now, and then we'll test the Quill for you. Okay, so push the handle in. Before we go back to high, we're just going to go to neutral. So there is a neutral dot there, and you can see that neutral is present. So up, get it in, lock it into high range, make sure it's locked in before you fire up. Okay, and then back to high range now. Just a smooth change is just great. Okay, back up to about 1300 RPM. So I put this handle back up to the top. I'm going to take the Quill lock off, and then I'm going to engage the feed here. But always just come off the stops. Don't try and engage the feed until the stops. The whole mechanism needs to lift before you as you engage it. So we're feeding down now, so you can see the handle moving. You can also see the DRO moving on the Quill. That's giving the readout from here. So we're feeding down, so every spindle speed has 3 different feed rates. That's the highest, that's the slowest when it's horizontal, and that's the medium when it's down here. And they're all working as they should. Okay, that's the highest feed rate now. So as it comes down to the bottom of that stop there, it's going to turn itself off automatically, and then it'll reverse it for you and show that it does work in reverse as well. Okay, it's turned off automatically. Again, before you go to reverse, just come off the stop. This feed reverse knob, it's going to come out this time, so to reverse the feed. Okay, and then engage the feed, engagement lever, and it's feeding up as it should. All 3 feed rates working even in reverse. All absolutely fine. Okay, turn that off. Turn the spindle off. And put the Quill all the way to the top. Put the Quill lock on, and just to show you the Quill lock does work. Okay, so that's the demo over. Thanks for watching. Please come down and see it for yourself in real life. Yeah, if you want a machine like this, check us out on gtmachineparts.co.uk, or if you want DRO systems, check us out on gtprecision.co.uk. Thanks for watching.